In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove or clear your public profile on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your profile page, and then tap Add Gear to open up Settings. On Settings, we need to scroll down until we find Public Profile Settings. Here we can easily find our Snapchat public profile. To head over to the next step, we need to get into it. And down below here, we can easily find Clear Public Profile. It used to be Delete Public Profile option here, however, now we can just clear it without deleting. To continue, I'm gonna tap Add Clear Public Profile, and now it says that everything you added to your public profile will be deleted, such as your bio, profile photo, public stories, and stories saved to your profile. However, snaps you have submitted to Spotlight or the Snap Map will remain and won't show your name unless you use your public profile again. To continue, tap Add Clear, and after a couple of seconds, your public profile on Snapchat will be cleared. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.